did catch on. I love them so much, they're so cute, I just wanna destroy all them. What? Wait, no, I don't mean it in a bad way. I mean it in a good way. As in I love them so much that I can't even contain myself from mine. The lips are so tense, I mean I could just eat them up like little weight. No, you don't understand, guys. Myself from much that I can't even contain myself